Hi, Dr. Stephen Davis. I'm sure a lot of you know about fillers and how you can put them in the nasolabial folds and other places where you actually have a crease or a groove. But did you know that I could use special fillers to actually give you a chin augmentation? That's right, I can actually do an injection on your chin and make your chin look like you had a chin implant, or just give it enough of a shape that you'll like the lower part of your face better. Another area that we use in that same zone is in these pre-jowl hollows. So the next time you're in the office and we're just doing regular fillers in other places, let's talk about your chin and the pre-jowl sulcus.